Hello, I'm Julie Samaka with Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. In this video, a sneak peek of our this month's featured wreath for Wreath Making of the Month Club. We're going to be using a 24-inch work wreath frame. So this is a frame that already has these nifty little tinsels, twist ties attached to them. We're using a 21-inch roll of Deco mesh. So this is in a red and white plaid. Again, you know, this could be used for Christmas or it could be used for Valentine's. So you can, I tell this all the time in all my videos. Think about when you're buying your supplies, how often can you use this? I have this sign. I love it. It's a Valentine's wreath sign and it measures 15 by 5. And then once I cut them, I'm just going to stack them all on top of each other and fold them in half. And then cut them at an angle on the folded side. And that's called dovetail. That just puts a finished edge on the ribbon. It's a totally optional thing to do. You don't have to do it. Again, there are so many different ways you can add ribbon to the Deco mesh wreaths. Just play around with it. Find a formula that works for you, that's easy to do, something that you like when the wreath is finished. There's no right or wrong way. I think I want to put one up here and then I want to put one down here, opposite of each other. So to do that, I'm going to push the wire through the mesh. I'm not tying it where a twist tie is, but instead I'm going down through the mesh. So first I'm going to place in the larger flowers. I always place the flowers in before I commit to the hot glue. I think I'm gonna do one up here, right there, to kind of give it a triangle. So a triangle look. Where we've placed them, one here, and one up there, there is a triangle going on. We also want to add our wreath hanger. I like to figure out where I want the hanger to go, especially when I have a sign, because the sign could be slanted. You know, I could have it this way or I could have it this way, whichever. All right, so then I'm going to cut a piece of, it's about a 6 or 7 inch piece of this rustic wire. Fold it into a loop. Find where I want this to hit on the back of the wreath. The ends of the twist ties down through the back of the frame. Then we wrapped it around and now both tails came down and I'm just gonna secure those together and cut this off.